Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki GSXR600. This super sport just arrived with only 16,000 miles. Beautiful metallic white and black paint scheme. It's got brand new tire on the back, almost new on the front. Come on by. Make your super sport dreams come true for just $89.99. Inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.